In part 1, we identified the two pieces, the thing, lo, the person, le. Now let's put them together. In Spanish, both pronouns move together and they go before the verb. So we take lo and le and we move them. Le lo compro. Don't fix it yet. We're just moving the pieces. But here's the small pronunciation rule. When le comes before lo, it changes to se lo compro. Think of it like this. Person first, thing second. Se lo compro. I buy it for her.
Now, which pronouns should we use?
Very simple. For example, compro el libro para mí. Me lo compro. Compro las flores para ti. Te las compro. Compro el regalo para usted. Se lo compro. Compro el café para ella. Se lo compro. Compro los boletos para nosotros. Nos los compro. Compro las bebidas para ustedes.
Se las compro.
Compro los zapatos para ellos. Se los compro. And that's it. Whenever you give something to someone, just think person first, thing second. If you liked this video, follow us for more simple Spanish explanations.